Welcome to in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store, and after that here in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now how to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that just click to open the app. Here click yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and here you can see the information about temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 34.3 degrees. And here we got also more different information like the battery health capacity, just the voltage, and also other info like the Android version and device model. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.